Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet so it works predictably. Enter date, start, end, task, owner, and a duration column. Once structured, format time consistently. Convert the range to an Excel table, Ctrl+T, to enable filters and formulas that autofill as you add rows. Next, add data validation on owner to keep names consistent and predefine time format to prevent parsing errors. Once done, add a duration formula placeholder so you can compute hours quickly when you start scheduling actual shifts. Now build the logic that makes the schedule live. Enter a duration formula that handles overnight shifts, format as to sum hours correctly. Then add conditional formatting rules to highlight overlaps, missing owners, or overtime. This gives immediate visual feedback. Use XLOOKUP or index/match to pull employee details and availability from a separate sheet and create a simple pivot table to view weekly totals. Once these are in place, lock key cells and hide helper columns to keep the layout clean for viewers. Finalize by automating repetitive steps and adding checks so your schedule stays accurate. Create a weekly template and record a macro to copy it, then link a button to run that macro. Once done, set pivot tables and charts to refresh on open. Add data validation and error messages for time entries so users fix mistakes immediately. If something goes wrong, check time cell formats first, then broken references or an incorrectly sized table range. Those are the most common failure points to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.